welcome back to another video. Modelasimms here. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out another unit from Love Me Hair. This video is sponsored by Love Me Hair. I'm going to open up the box and show you guys what's in the box. As usual, inside the box you have the wig, and then you also have some gift items. Their hair normally comes with gift items, so I'm going to quickly show you guys all of the things that comes with the hair. And if you're new here, you're welcome, guys. Make sure you stick around for today's video. Stick around for more videos as well. With that being said, let's get right into this video. Alright, so the wig I'm going to be working with for this video is a natural coily fringe wig. It has two combs on the side and one behind. For the gift items, you've got a comb, press-on nails, eyelashes, earrings, pop sockets, and hair clip. Fresh out of the box without combing or doing anything to the hair, this is what it looks like. I haven't done anything, I haven't applied anything, I haven't brushed it at all. I must say it does look good though. I can feel myself. That's right, it looks fabulous. So what I'm gonna do now is play around with this hair. I'm gonna show you guys different ways on how I will rock this hair. You can't rock it the same way too. This right here is a look. I don't know what you think about this look, but for me, I will rock this look every day. Let me know what you think about this look though, because it's a look. It's giving me 80s 90s vibe. I'm loving this look. I'm vibing with this look. It's so pretty. So for look 2, I'm gonna rock the wig just the way it came, without brushing it, without doing anything extra. I'm just using my fingers to comb through the hair so the curls will pop out. Yeah, this is the straight out of the box look. For look 3, I'm gonna be giving 2 buns, double buns, or afro puff style kind of hair vibe. I'll definitely rock the style anytime, any day. Let me know in the comment section below if you're gonna rock the style. Alright, so for look 4, I'm going for an afro ponytail kind of look, and this is what it looks like. Are you guys ready for look 5? Because I'm ready. I am so ready. Look 5, I'm gonna be doing the side part just like this, nothing too serious. Let me know which is your preferred style. I kind of like the hair this way though. I think it looks so good on me like this. Literally, it looks so gorgeous. Right now I'm brushing out the curls. I want to see how this hair is going to look on me if I brush out the curls. I love my hair voluminous. Brushing out the hair is going to give me the volume that I want. So this is what the wig is looking like after brushing out the curls. This is more like it for me. I prefer my Afro wigs to look like this, just like this. So 9 out of 10 would recommend. Alright guys, so these are the styles I created with this wig. One wig, different styles. Let me know which is your preferred style. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. See you on my next video. Take it easy.